Okay, so here's the, I guess I'll say the finished product for now. For the compressor. This motor I got from my dad. It came off of an old compressor. It was an Ingersoll Rand compressor. It's a 7.5 horse motor. I've got my pressure switch, and I've got it piped directly into the compressor for now. But eventually, what I want to do is put a radiator on it. I had to make this big piece of pipe right here. I had to get this to put this check valve in so that I could have a bleed off after the compressor shuts off. I got these cool stickers from McMaster car. This box was an old some sort of security systems box that I found, and it used to be a different color, and it's I painted the same color as the motor. It's got my contactor, which actually came with when I got the motor from my dad. We went ahead and got it came with an old box, but it was in bad shape, so I just mounted it all in here. Let's see, I've got this. The only problem I really had so far was the when I first piped this in, the bleed off. It was I used plastic fittings, and it got way too hot right here. You can imagine how hot it gets. It runs about 25 minutes, I say, something like that. 25, 28 minutes, something like that, to fill all the way up to 175. And then it doesn't cut on for a long time after using it. So it's like 250 gallons of air. I've just got it piped into my, it goes inside my shop. This piped actually to my other air compressor. I've got the bleed off, or the drain down here. There's actually a plug already there, and I just piped that in there. But yeah, works pretty good. I got pressure on it right now. I can turn it on. Let's see what it looks like. So anyway, I built this like shed here. It's dark, I know, but I built this shed here to kind of cover it up, keep it out of the weather. This is a old concrete slab I was talking about. There was actually two pieces that I'd cut off a couple years ago, and I just put them back together. And anyway, yeah, turned out really good. I'm really pleased with it. It got plenty of air. The motor was more than enough. It's this is a 5 horsepower compressor, but all the new motors you buy today are the SPL. When it says horsepower, it's from what I understand, it's not really 5 horsepower. Maybe that's like peak horsepower. But anyway, this is a 7.5 horse. Plenty enough power. I think that's in the owner's manual for the compressor, they gave a formula for how to size the pulley compared to the RPM. And I believe I had to end up going with like a 5-inch pulley, 5.25-inch pulley, something like that. I forget. Anyway, it's a little bit less than I think the rated 1180 RPMs for the pump, which is okay. I'd rather be less than more. And anyway, I had to get that pulley. I got the pulley from McMaster car as well. But yeah, all in all, it turned out really good. real pleased with it. Like I said, the next thing will be upgrading and putting a radiator on it to cool the air down before it enters the tank.